faster. Yo. Video. It's good. So, today I don't know actually what I'm going to be doing, but it's been raining for like 3 days straight, so sorry for like the non-uploads, but like it's been raining and it's just been so wet outside, so it dried up a tiny bit. It hasn't dried up like fully, but yeah, this is what we're dealing with. A little bit of blue over there. It's just so like raining for days and it's just been pissing me off because like I don't know what to do without riding because I'm just bored shitless. So yeah, windy as hell. Sorry if you guys can like hear this, but I just really want to make a video. It's fucking windy. Alright. I fucking hope it doesn't rain. It's fucking raining! I hate this weather. So basically, what do you do for an Ollie? Really comfortable on your board. Really comfortable. Why is it so fucking windy? Oh! It is so fucking cold, it's not even funny. Don't like put it down too slow. Pop really hard and really fast. And then 1 foot on the back of the tail and 1 foot like somewhat like close to the middle, but not like actually on the middle, but like hop really fast, really hard, and then at the same time bring your shoe and scrape up and just jump at the same time. If you don't jump, you're just gonna do nothing, you know what I mean? You gotta actually hop, scrape your foot, and then you go on the air, and if you're really good, it might actually level out and then go back down. Like hop, you know what I mean? Make sure it levels out. Because some people, they do an Ollie, right? I actually feel like I'm about to have a heart attack. All that sugar in that coffee, I feel like I'm about to have a heart attack. My God. Shouldn't have put so much sugar in that fucking coffee. So basically, what you do is you pop, you have 1 foot here, you just pop, you keep popping, right? Do this for like ages. Do that, scrape at the same time, land, scrape, and land. Once you get that down, make sure you're not rocketing. You pop, and then you're just jumping and just a straight rocket, and then you might land. That's just a rocket. If you land it, alright, but like, you gotta like level it out, you know what I'm saying? And make sure you're getting that real good pop like this. Like, roll, just like that. So there's 4 steps of doing an Ollie. The first step is popping really hard and really fast at the same time like this. Just pop and pop. And then the second step is just scrape your foot up like this. Scrape like this. Scrape. And then the third step is just like jumping. You know what I'm saying? Like just jump as high as you can all at the same time. And then the 4th step is just landing. You gotta get that landing and you just gotta commit. Every single thing in skateboarding is just about committing. So until you hear like the pop. I haven't done it in a couple of days, but just gotta get comfortable on your board. Ooh. Ah! Guys, my dad's backing out. He's getting out of the way. Now I can actually like skate there. Okay. Let's go. Okay. I can do a caveman off like a bunch of high stuff as well. But I just can't Ollie like over things or maybe down. But yeah, so yeah. I've got a whole fucking 30 minutes to edit, but okay. Yeah, I can easily roll off this. See you next video. Peace out and goodbye.